Naghahanap ka ba ng bahay? Yung along the highway, malapit sa establishments, malapit sa groceries, malapit sa itatayong mall. So ipakikita ko sa inyo ang best location ng subdivision namin dito sa Kawit, Cavite. Ang Colinville. So bakit best ang Colinville subdivision with regards sa location? Unang-una, ang lapit nito sa highway, pakikita ko sa inyo. Iyan. So this is Kawit Centennial Road Highway. So andito lahat ng transportation going Manila and coming from Manila. Marami tayo mga katabing establishments dito like restaurants, car dealers, and also yung itatayong bagong mall. Excited na ba kayo? So unahin natin sa restaurants. So meron tayo ditong konti sa katabing-katabi lang, and then meron tayong Shuttles Fest doon, then may car dealer tayo doon na MG, and so on and so forth. And then going there is the municipality of Kawit, Jerry's Grill Restaurant, at marami pang iba. And then dito sa tapat, across, almost, we have the grocery SNR. So hindi na kayo mahihirapan mag-grocery. So andyan ang ating SNR, andyan ang ating Dunkin Donuts, and another car dealer which is the Suzuki. Ayan. At pagkatapos, kung nakikita nyo po yung kinoconstruct natin doon, that's the Ayala Evo City. And currently, there's constructing the Ayala Malls. So, guys, so nakikita nyo, sobrang ganda ng ating location dito sa Colinville. Ayan. So, ayan ang mga trucks natin and buses. So, napakadali at napakagaan po ng pag-commute nyo dito. So, if you're looking a property na mayroong best location, ito na yung best option po ninyo. Halos katapat nyo lang ang Ayala, which means napakadaming establishments na itatayo, buildings, call centers. So anong pwede natin gawin kung hindi natin titirhan ang house and lot natin dito sa Colinville? You can do the Airbnb business. And that's the truth. Napakagandang Airbnb ng lugar na ito. Kasi andito ng lahat. And the market value of your property here would appreciate. For sure yan. So if you want to know more about Colinville subdivision, don't hesitate to message or contact me. My name is Mary Lee from NEC Homes Realty, your licensed real estate salesperson. Please like and share my FB page here. Thank you and God bless. See you soon.